Hello everyone, my name is Sergio Vasfield, and I'm here again to give you another lesson in creating simple Ember.js application, and this is lesson number 8. And in this lesson, I will show you how to do a simple web page with a simple local, you can say database. Rather, it's an array of information. Let's get started. And again here, let's do app equals ember.application.create, and this will initialize our Ember app. Okay, um, and I'm gonna go as quickly as possible in this lesson because this is a rather hefty. There's a lot of things you need to type in. Uh, um, so we'll go step by step. I'm gonna create a router. And I gave you a lesson about what the router is. We will do what's called a ds.model. It's it's a store. Um, um, it's a store property for creating, um, letting Ember know that we are creating something for the store that will be dealing with the with the database, either an API or something to retrieve the data from. Okay, so let's do app router dot map. So I'm gonna just do this. Next step, I'll do the DS model app dot model. I'm sorry, dot product equals ds dot model dot extend product ds dot product. Okay. Next thing we'll do is what's called a fixture adapter. And if I recall, product adapter. And if I recall, I think Ember with the newer versions they trying to do fixture adapter dot extend. What they trying to think, I might be mistaken. You would need to look that up. Instead of a fixture adapter, I think they're using something else, but this works fine, so I'll be just using this. And if you need more information, you can always go to ember.js.com website and see it for yourselves. Okay, so app that product that fixtures, and yes, they all need to be capital letters. Don't ask me why. This is the way that Ember is created. And this will take an array. We'll just and finally we need a route app that index that not that route equals Ember route Ember dot route dot extend, and those are the properties, or a better word, functions that Ember would need to for us to create a simple web page with array, and we will put the array of items, or yes, the array of items in here. Okay, so let's do our router first, and again it takes a function. Oops, takes a function, and wait, let's go back. Takes a function, and as we remember, it's a this dot resource or this dot route, I prefer to use resource, and again, there's an explanation to that, and you can always find it on Ember website. Resource and product. I can't type today. It's probably visible. And path. Yes, it's official. I cannot type today. I don't know why. Path. We will use products slash semicolon product ID, and product ID is very important. This is how Ember will pull your information from the database, is by ID. And if you're familiar with any of the backend, ID is a unique number which is only assigned to each and one of the database information, or what's the other word for that? Anyway, TS model, again, it's in here. We'll do this, and this is the actual parameters that we would need. DS that attribute goes ATTR, stands for attribute. Name, then we'll do a description. TS.ATR. No, it's this way. And price. DS.attribute. Okay. This we will leave alone. There's nothing will go inside here. But in here, we would need to do. This is the actual information that will be that Ember will use to pull the information from. Now, numbers. I should mention that numbers always take their anno quotes, either single or double, around the numbers, so that way Ember sees that this is a number. Nikon D4, and description. And you know what? I will do this. I will use let's go here. Let's go here. Let's go Nikon. We'll just take some information like this, just for the sake of simplicity here. So Nikon Corporation, la la la. Okay. This, then we will create another ID 2. Name will go we will go Canon, not Venom, but Canon 5D, and description we will go you know what, let's use the same description, but we'll just change this to Canon, and Canon, and oh, we need price. Yes, since we have a price here, doesn't really matter. I mean, you don't need to. I don't think you need to have it here, but we will use price, and I think it's $5.99. Now we cannot use the dollar sign here. We will use that later on our HTML page right here. So price, and I think it was like $2.99 for 5D. Actually, it's Mark 3. Yeah, so I think it was $2.99. What's the error? Price. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay, and finally, index route. Again, we will need a bracketing and model. It will be pulling a model, be used as a model, and models take a function. return this dot store dot store dot find, and it will be found by product, since this is a product and this is a product and this is a product and product ID. So by find product. Okay, so this page, the page with app for Ember is done. Okay, let's uncheck the auto run because it might mess up my computer, if anything. And here we'll just we'll have 3, and I will do a lesson explaining to you the templates. I don't think I did a lesson for you to explain what the template is, because that's an important that's a very important thing for Ember. And I think my next lesson I will explain, what the template is and how you use it, because template they run on a router. So router sees what's written here and attributes each one of those into the template. But anyhow, I will give a lesson. I think a lesson number 9 I will give on that. X slash, not slash but dash, handlebars, handlebars bars. Clearly my hands are not working today, or it might be my brain. So this would be our default template. Let's just copy and paste. Copy second and the last one. So again, each template needs a name. So this is a default, so we don't need to put a name for it, because this is a index route. Here we will use a, well, actually no, I'm sorry, this is a default. Ember will use this as a default template, and index will use this here. So let's do this. Let's do data template name equals index. So this will be will be used for this here. That would be our main template for find the products. Okay, and the last one will be the actual product page. So let's do since I'm lazy to type and my fingers don't work anyway, this, and we will do product. So in here this will serve, so we will do a link to and I will finish this, but this will be that will be our outlet for those 2 templates. So the default template would be served as an outlet for the rest of the templates here. So here will be index. The link here will be created to the index page, and this will be mostly served to return for the to the index page. And we'll close the index, not index, but the link to, and link to. It's not running because we still haven't finished this here. Let's do a B. We'll close a B. Here we will do the each loop. So we'll do a UL, and we'll do each product, because we are retrieving the product here. Product, that's the array of products. Product here, and that would be the page where actually that's the products. So that's when we'll be clicking on a product, on each of the products, and this this router will be connecting, or rather that's the URL of those, not those, but it's the URL for the products. Okay, each product in model, okay, and we'll do an li for each of the products, and we'll need a link to, and the link to the product. This would need to be in quotes, and product again. Or I think we can do this. We'll work on that later if I'll have time. Product dot name, since we're looking for the product by its name, and the name would be displayed as Nikon D4 and a Canon 5D. Okay. Now we need to close up link to, this is still early here, and I'm working, and clearly my mind is still asleep, and we need to close each and UL. Okay, product, template name index, and here we will do the actual product that will be displayed on the product name, and that would be name, that corresponds to name. Okay, we'll close it P, and we'll just copy and paste. Here we'll use a description, product description. Here we'll use a price, and we can put a $sign here. Product price, well, let's do product price, and it's not showing, and let's see why. Let's do this again, and like that. Cannot read property extent or undefined extent. Okay, never mind. I think I know what's happening here. ts.model, and fixture adapter dot extend, product adapter. Let's see again. Let's clear it. Let's run again. Oh, so everything is in order, but it's not showing. Handle, I think I know what's happening here. Handlebars. Something to mention, Ember, and I think any of the programming languages, they're case sensitive, and if you're missing a letter, like I'm missing a letter in each of the script tags, nothing works. But as we see here, Nikon D4, it pulls up the information from our array here. Instead of a local I hate to call this a local database, but I think this is a local database for demo purposes. The fixtures adapter is strictly used, if I'm not mistaken, and correct me if I'm wrong, um, used for a demo, for writing a demo code. But you can use this app.product RESTful adapter that will be connecting to the actual database or API. So this information will be pulled not from the array that we've created, but rather from a HTTP server or some database. But for simplicity's sake, we're just doing this. And here you are. I hope that you've enjoyed this lesson, and hopefully you guys gonna come back for lesson number 9, and I will explain the templates and how Ember works with templates. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.